We are following an NBC26 weather alert. We have a wind chill wind chill warning now in effect for northeast Wisconsin up into the UP as we head throughout the night through tomorrow and into Thursday morning. The wind chill warning actually extends all the way back through Minnesota and Iowa, where wind chills have now dropped into the 40s and 50s below zero. And those dangerously cold wind chills will be moving in later on tonight. So when you combine the bitterly cold temps with gusty winds, we will be looking at sub-zero wind chills of 45 to 55 degrees below zero. This is what I'm thinking for tomorrow morning. Temperatures will range. Actual air temperatures will range from 15 below to around 25 below. That combined with a sustained wind at around 20 miles per hour will produce wind chills between 42 degrees below zero and 55 degrees below zero. And when you have wind chills between 35 and 55 below, frostbite can occur on exposed skin in about 5 to 10 minutes. So if you can, just stay indoors. If you do have to head out, minimize travel. Make sure you cover up. And when you do cover up, wear multiple layers of clothing. Right now, temperatures are dropping. It's already down to 3 degrees below zero in Oshkosh. We've got 7 below in Wautoma. In Green Bay, with mostly cloudy skies and a few flurries, the temperature is 0, but look at that wind. In Appleton, it's even more impressive. The temperature has dropped to 6 degrees below zero with sustained winds at 29 miles per hour. Winds are gusting to around 40 miles per hour, so the wind chill in Appleton is already down to 33 below zero. It feels like 35 below zero right now in Anago. So yes, that dangerously cold air is now moving into northeast Wisconsin behind a cold front that moved through earlier today. You can see temperatures across Minnesota right now only in the teens and 20s below zero. That's where high temperatures were during the peak heating of the day. So just a brutally cold air mass moving in from the north. Once again, we do have a wind chill warning for the entire viewing area. As we move through the night, wind chills will be steadily dropping down into the mid and upper 40s below zero by tomorrow morning. Some spots will have wind chills in the 50s below zero. Tomorrow afternoon, even with some sunshine, temperatures are not going to warm up very much at all. 15 below for a high in Fond du Lac, 11 below in Wapaka, right around 10 below in Green Bay. It will be a little bit warmer to the north, 4 below zero for a high in Sturgeon Bay. This is the coldest air mass in 5 years. You have to go back to the winter of 2013, 2014 to find a high temperature that's about that cold, 5 below zero, although the actual daytime high was 14 below back on that early January day. Now, as we move into Thursday morning, even colder air temperatures are expected in the 20s and 30s below zero across the area, and that is getting to levels that are considered historically cold. Here's a look at the all-time record low temperatures for northeast Wisconsin. 36 degrees below zero is the all-time record low for Green Bay. As far as the state is concerned, 55 degrees below zero. That was set back in 1996. Tonight, look for bitterly cold wind chills. Overnight lows around 20 below. Wind chills will be in the 40s below zero. We're going to see some blowing and drifting snow and a few flurries. Tomorrow, bitterly cold wind chills with a high only around 10 degrees below zero. That is my 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to the Heart of the Valley Food Pantry. And we did that today. My forecast for the actual high temperature was 4 degrees, which means I've now hit 67 of the last 67 3-degree guarantee forecasts. Thursday morning, 25 degrees below zero, still 10 below for a high. We warm up on Friday, maybe a couple of flurries early, a high of 10, 38 for Groundhog Day with the chance for some showers, so a huge turnaround. Lower 40s on Sunday with some rain showers, and then turning colder with a wintry mix on Monday, mid-20s return by Tuesday.
So we're looking at a 60-degree temperature swing in just a matter of a few days.
Yes, and the apparent temperature change with wind chills around 55 below to temperatures potentially hitting 45 above would be around 100 degrees.
Wow, it's going to be a shock to the system.
It will be.
All the way around.
Yes.
Up next, Project Drive Sober, a look at what it would mean to make the first OWI a criminal offense in Wisconsin. Hear from lawmakers when we return.